Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume has disclosed that the city council has lost almost half of its workforce as employees seek opportunities overseas, severely impacting service delivery in the city. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In an interview, Mafume said over half of the council's employees left for the Middle East, attracted by higher salaries and better working conditions. He said this left council scrambling to fill critical gaps. Then our personnel are being poached because we are not able to pay them adequately. So the Middle East is taking a lot of our personnel that we will have to train. We lost over half of that personnel last year, and as soon as they finish training them, they leave. So we are having that challenge. Council has been struggling to pay its workers. According to sources within Council, workers received their December 2023 salaries end of February. This is today's news about HCC loses labor in severe brain drain. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.